welcome back to Cruising as Crew. My name is Lucy and today we are going swimming with sharks, or I am going swimming with sharks. Only little bibber ones though, so yeah, but it's exciting. It's something I've always wanted to do, and there is a crew tour that offers it. So I was like, oh, you know what, why not? Why not? When else am I going to do it? So me and Dan, who I work with in the shops team, are going to go on this crew tour. There'll be like a bunch of other crew members as well. And yeah, I'm really excited. But the tour isn't actually leaving until 1 o'clock. It is now 11 o'clock. So I am going to meet the guys for some breakfast, some brunch in the galley. And then I'll come back and get ready to go swimming with sharks. Oh, good morning.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
You going for breakfast?
Yes.
Let's go. So I've just come back and put sun cream on and just had a message on like the crew thing to say that the tour is cancelled because the currents are too strong where the sharks are, so that's disappointing, but I also don't want to get swept away with the current, so it's fine. But since I have like got sun cream on and everything, I'm gonna go out and get some sun, but I don't know what I'm gonna do, so this is gonna be one of those days where we just see what happens. Let's go! So we're not going shark diving now, not shark diving, swimming with sharks. We are gonna play tennis.
Well, you are.
Well, I don't know, I might do, but maybe I'll give it a go, we'll see. So we're not swimming with sharks, but we think we've spotted...
It's got a fin.
It has got a fin. Do baby shark, Should we go swimming with it and then we'll be swimming with sharks? Yeah, that's a shark. Paddle boarding over this side. This is like the crew beach. Alright, so a day swimming with sharks has now turned into a tour of the Hilton resort. Should we go up there? It is the Hilton, isn't it?
I don't think so. It's just Resort World, it's called.
Resort World.
There's the Hilton Hotel, but I don't think this area is owned by
people
Hilton.
don't actually own these houses though. They just stay in them when they're on holiday, right?
I think so, but I don't think Hilton owns them.
Oh, right.
Maybe
Right.
it does, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe Resort World is owned.
Who knows?
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scared.
He's got an injury. His finger's fallen off.
Almost.
You can do whatever you like. You don't chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can't
Now I've come to the beach, just watched the guys play tennis for about an hour, and now look at the water. Oh, it's just luminous, it's incredible. So I am going to get in there because, yeah, it just looks wonderful. So I know it might not be the most exciting day. We're not swimming with sharks, but hey, it's pretty good.
You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like me, and I'm like you. You are like me, and I'm like you. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta
Everyone coming back from Bimini Beach Club.
be happy. You can do whatever.
Right, so
Sharks were good.
the sharks were great, yeah. Great excursion,
Yeah.
money well spent.
Yeah.
Hello, gorgeous.
Oh, hello, Mark. You've got a case outside, have you?
That's John Boy's.
Where is it? You packed?
How was
You
it?
ready to go?
I'm not
It was cancelled, so
Yes.
yeah, so we
Okay.
yeah, so we just went to the beach instead. I know, bloody hell.
Bloody hell.
Right, I'm gonna go for a shower.
Good deal.
See you later.
See ya.
Just had a shower and washed my hair. Honestly, this dress, I feel like every video this dress makes an appearance. It's just because it's just so easy to throw on. But yeah, showered, hair washed, and I've got 2 hours before I start work, so I'm gonna go and get some food because I'm starving, and then I'll just come back and get ready for work, and then we'll go to work. Let's see what delights we have.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless.
I am all ready. I'm all ready for work, so I'm going to head on up. I've got 10 minutes. This is the nice thing about working on a ship, is you can leave your house 10 minutes before you actually start, because you just have to go up in the elevator.
Broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every
So I've just got back after finishing work. Oh, I need to clock out actually. I didn't clock in. I bought myself some snacks because why not? I'm feeling a bit emotional because there's quite a few people leaving tonight. So just then in the closing meeting, we said goodbye to a load of people that I've worked with since 2019 on Virgin Voyages, and I won't see them again. So it's yeah, it's sad, but hey, this is ship life. So I'm gonna sit in bed, I'm gonna eat my crisps, and yeah, just enjoy life. Thank you for watching. If you are at this point, I apologise because I really did think that this vlog was going to be more exciting than it has been. I thought I was going to be swimming with sharks, but yeah, that obviously did not come to fruition. So nevertheless, I really hope you've enjoyed this day in the life, because it was a very normal day in the life. I mean, to be honest, today is pretty much what I do every Bimini. Get up, take a little walk, maybe go and watch the guys play tennis. Sometimes a few of us play, sometimes we just watch. Go to the beach, come back. So yeah, it was a very like normal Bimini day. Anyway, thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, whatever you decide to do with it, make the most of it. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.